this is Dave. Today we're going to do a little bit of experimenting. I'm a big fan of the Dutch pour that you see a lot here on YouTube. And I've done some of the Dutch pours in the past in the traditional style. But today I'm going to try to expand it over and use it with the Sheleeartstyle. Instead of using a fluid paint, I'm going to use a cell activator to see if I can get the colors to act the same way. So let's see how this works, and let's get you down to the canvas and have some fun. Okay, I'm back, and as promised, let's look at what the dried results. I think it actually dried beautifully, and if you look up here, I did get the cells that I was looking for. Same thing over here, and over here. So I'm very happy with this experiment. I was kind of hoping if you get that, you can actually see the shimmer that's with that. It's actually a really very simple but beautiful painting. So I'm very happy with the way this turned out. So if you could please, if you enjoyed what you saw today, if you could take time and hit the like button, subscribe, and if you ring the bell, you'll get notifications of any future videos that I'm going to put out. My goal is to put at least 3 or 4 videos up a week, and I'm hoping that this is going to be useful for you. Please leave some comments down below of things you think might be good to include in the videos in the future. For now, I hope you have a great day. Bye now.